Hello everyone, and welcome to a brief video on housekeeping. We'll start from the housekeeping module. This screen provides a comprehensive overview of the housekeeping status. Here you can see all the room numbers and types, along with their occupancy status, whether they're vacant or occupied for the day. The housekeeping status indicates whether a room is clean, dirty, out of order, or inspected. You can select each room's status and even set priorities. For instance, if a room is dirty, you can set the priority as urgent or high, etc. You also have the option to assign a room to any of your staff members. Additionally, you can view the last clean time for each room type and add comments or notes once a room is cleaned. Now let's discuss how to assign tasks. You can do this from the staff section. Here you can create a new housekeeping staff member with all the necessary information provided. Then, you can assign tasks from this section. Before we move on to the automation section, let's take a look at the stay calendar. This feature provides an easy view of room statuses on specific days. You can track or edit the housekeeping status directly from the calendar also, making it more convenient. You don't need to switch tabs to see if a room is occupied. You can do everything from the stay calendar. For example, let's say we have 2 check-ins scheduled for today, one for this room and one for that room. Now let's assume we're going to check out one of these rooms today. After we check out, the room's status will automatically change to dirty. Now let's see what happens if a room is marked as dirty and we need to perform a check-in. Let's consider this scenario. It's November 7th and you want to check in a guest, but the room is not clean. We'll proceed with the check-in process and encounter a warning saying, "The room is dirty, please clean the room before the check-in process." Consequently, the check-in button will be unavailable because the room is unclean. You'll need to assign this cleaning task to someone. Once the room is cleaned, you can click on this just like demonstrated. You can select all these statuses. This can also be done from the housekeeping module, but it's simpler to do it from here. Simply update it and you will see the room status change to cleaned. You can then proceed and perform the check-in. The warning messages will disappear. So, there are 2 things you should be aware of. If the room is out of order, dirty, or in any other state that prevents check-in, a warning message will be displayed and the check-in button will be disabled. When you perform a checkout, the clean room will automatically be marked as dirty. It's quite straightforward and easy. Now let's return to the housekeeping module and go to the automation section. Here, you will see 3 options. The AutoMark checkout option is already turned on. This is why, when a checkout is performed, the room status automatically changes to dirty. We have 2 additional automations. The first one is the pre-check-in preparation. This automation sends reminders or tasks to the housekeeping team to prepare the room before guests arrive. For instance, it ensures the room is cleaned. This notification or task is sent based on the set hours provided. Currently, it's set to 1 hour. So, an hour before the planned check-in, a notification will be sent out if the room is still not ready. The third automation is the delayed cleaning escalation. This one is triggered if a room remains unclean or out of order for more than an hour. It will also send a notification to the housekeeping team. This is how simple our housekeeping module is. You can get a comprehensive view from here in the housekeeping module or go to the stay calendar. You can manage all these tasks from here. As you can see, this room was cleaned just 25 minutes ago. We just finished cleaning Suite 1 a couple of minutes ago. You can also observe that D1 is under maintenance. This is because it's currently out of order. All these color codes are also used to show the priorities. As you can see, low is represented by green, high is represented by red, and the urgent is represented by black. That concludes our walkthrough video on housekeeping. Thank you for watching.